I got three names I'm watching for tomorrow, April 28th. The first name I'm watching is Netflix. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that it had a nice run up, gap, and continued to run up for about 2 months. And then earnings came out, and it kind of tanked nasty. In any event, it came back down to this level, and right underneath it is a gap to fill. So I'm super interested in this name. If we go over to the hour chart, pull up our levels, we can see that this is an area of interest. We can see before, back in March 23rd, that it came down to this exact same level where it's at now, and it actually bounced from here. So this level is $91.35. So what I'm looking for is, once tomorrow opens, I'm going to see if this level going to hold. And if it does hold like it did previously, then we could walk back up to this 92.50. And then after 92.50, we can see 93.32. But if we continue to stay weak and we break under this 91.50, then the next stop is 89.80. And then if we go and break that, the next stop is $87. The next name I'm watching is Pan W, Palo Alto. It had a really nice move today. If you look at it, it formed what we call a bull flag. We got the flagpole right here, flag down, and she'll continue up for the next leg. So what I want to see here, I want to see if we can break this 184. Touched it today, came back down, formed this beautiful flag. Let's see if we can hold it, reclaim it, and then walk this back up to 186.7. And if we can get past 186.7, then we can touch 189.4. But in the event that we get weak and it wants to pull back, break out of this flag, then the first stop will be this previous high at 181.3. And if we get under 181.3, then we got 178.5. And then we can come back down to this 176.5. And the last stock I'm watching is Google. I usually don't trade tickers close to their earnings day. Google reports earning on Wednesday, but it has value at this level. And let me show you what I mean. If we zoom out, we can see this is all-time highs, this 350 level. And then actually went back up, touched it, broke it intraday, and came back down to close a bit right underneath it at 348.5. So what I want to see here, I want to see if tomorrow, if we can stay strong, because it was a nice move today. And we can go back up and reclaim this 350, 350.9 to be exact, and break out. And if we break this, we'll be back at all-time highs, and there's a dollar move up. So it'll be 352, then we got 353, and potentially 354. But in the event if we get weak, and we need to pull back before earnings, because we are sitting at all-time highs, then we need to get back under this 348.9. If we can get back under this 348.9, then we can come down to this 344.9, and then potentially even touching this 340.7, and that would be right before the earnings come out on Wednesday. These are the three names that I'm watching for tomorrow. If you found any value in this content, leave me a like.